lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babaylan TV.
Hi Fire Signs! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for December the 8th to December the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Pwede kayong sumali, no, sa live sessions na yan para maitanong nyo right there and then, no, yung inyong mga question sa inyong sarili. Pwede rin kayong sabi ng inyong mga suggestion doon. Ayan. I want you to know that this is a general reading, nga pala, no? So, you may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Kung hindi nyo naman po maabutan, no, itong live sessions, pwede kayong magtanong na lang dito din sa ating description box. I mean, dito sa ating comment section. Basta ang tanong po is answerable by yes or no. Kung hindi kayo papatulugan ng yes or no na sagot lang, no, dumiretso na kayo dun sa ating description box. Nandun po yung link ng aking website. Makikita nyo po dun yung question form. Nandun po yung amount, no, per question, the name, the number, QR code for your reference. Ayan, I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So magsimula na tayo, fire signs. Ang nakikita natin dito, parang masyado mong pinakita, no? Masyado mong ginalingan kasi itong relasyon mo, no? Or pakikipagrelasyon mo. This relationship may not always be romantic, na hindi lang siya na napapaloob sa isang romantic na relasyon. Pwede rin itong family, no? Kasi parang naging sobra akong mapagbigay, naging sobra akong malakas, no? Pero hindi, kumbaga nasanay na itong taong to, or itong mga taong ito, na kinakaya ko naman, no? Kasi siguro ako yung either breadwinner, ako itong pinaguhugutan, no, ng lakas nitong mga taong ito. Pero, ang sinasabi mo lang dito, hindi porket nakikita nyo akong malakas, or nakikita mo ako na malakas, hindi na ako marunong umiyak, no? May mga kahinaan din ako, no? Yun yung parang bottom line mo eh. Minsan, yung mapagbigay, no? Humihingi din ng kahit papano, no? Amutan nyo din naman ako ng kaunting kamusta ka na, no? Kapag may sakit ako, yung tipong uminom ka ng gamot, eto binili kita ng lugaw, no? Kasi hindi porket ako yung mapagbigay, ayan, hindi rin ako nangangailangan, no? Sometimes kung ako tong laging niyayakap ka, minsan kailangan ko rin ng yakap, no? That would be much appreciated. Kung lang, no, hindi sa nanunumbat, no? Parang sinasabi mo dito ay sana man lang, no? You'll show a bit of appreciation sa aking nagagawa. Kasi parang ang nangyayari dito, nagiging trabaho ko na. Hindi sa nanunumbat, hindi sa rereklamo, no? Gusto ko lang marinig mo or marinig ninyo yung hinaing ko, no? Sana minsan napaprioritize din ako, Ayan. With the Four of Swords. Ayan na nga. And the Queen of Wands. Hindi mo masabi ito ng direkta, no? Na kahit papano'y nagtatampo tayo. Pero, parang, kasi ang feeling mo kapag sinabi ko to ng direkta, feeling ko may masasaktan ako. Ang ginagawa mo dito is somewhat ipinapakita na lang through actions. No, minsan ipinapakita mo na nagiging cold ka na din. Na pinapakita mo na tinatamad ka na rin, no? Kaya ang nangyayari dito ay somewhat pwedeng sabihin natin misinterpretation dahil hindi nga nagiging vocal, no? Or kung nagiging vocal ka man, hindi ito yung 100% kasi alam mo na baka kapag nagsabi ka ng the tea, the realness of yung what you want to express, baka makasakit ka ng damdamin. At the end of the day, mas kinoconsider mo pa rin yung well-being, no, nung pwede mong pagsabihan. Napaka-selfless ng iyong pagmamahal dito dahil kahit nagalit ka, mas pinipili mo maging malumanay. So, ang nangyayari dito na nasa-suppress, no, itong damdamin mo. Yun ang minsan nakakatakot kasi baka mamaya biglang sumabog, no? And I think that you're one of those people, no, yung nakikinig sa akin, na as much as possible, hindi nagsasalita, no? Kasi kilala nila, fire signs pa ba, no? Kapag bumuga ito, no, apoy, dragon, hindi lang, I'm sorry, lalabas yung sipong ko. Dragon. Pasensya na kung ganito yung boses, may sakit pa tayo. No, we're still recovering from a lot of things. But anyway, let's go back. It's not about me. It's about you guys. No? Yun nga, ang mahirap kasi dito, yung nakikimkim. Pero pag sumabog, naku, magtago ka na. No? Kasi for sure, pupulutin kang bopis. No? Natadtad ka. With the Four of Pentacles. So yeah, you're keeping it to yourself. No? Hindi ka masyadong palasalita. Mas more of action doer rather than, you believe in the saying, action speaks louder than words. Ayan. With the Ace of Swords and the Seven of Swords. Yun nga lang, ang nagiging interpretation dito nung kabilang kampo, no? Baka nagjo-joke, no? Or baka mainit lang ang ulo, baka, ang gising niya ay wala dun sa tamang side of the bed. Pero little do they know, no, na parang ang sayo, I mean it. Kasi ikaw yung taong gusto mo pag sinabi mo ngayon, sana naiintindihan na nila, ayaw mong paulit-ulitin dahil baka kung saan pa mapunta. So, once is enough for me to explain everything. Once is enough for me para magpalipad ng hangin. No, once is enough for me to, to keep to let you know, sana nababasa nyo ako, no? To let you know na I'm not happy, I'm not satisfied, I'm not pleased with what is going on or what you're doing. So let's clarify the Seven of Swords, the Five of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. I think that you're also doing some self-help in here na parang nagtatry tayong siguro kaya kayo nandito ngayon nanonood ng tarot reading is for guidance and help na rin. How can I surpass this? What to expect, no? Or what's the possible outcome? Para at least you're preparing yourself for even what's the worst or what's, the best outcome. Para at least meron tayong preparation for a few numbers. A few baka mamaya nagbabasa tayo ng libro for self-help, no, na kumbaga self-cure, no, self-medication. Ayan, para kasing sinasabi natin dito, I want to broaden my knowledge. I want to learn something new, no? Pagsubok lang ito and wala namang nadadaan. Kung ito'y pagsubok, ibig sabihin, kung ito'y suliranin, ibig sabihin ito'y may sagot, no? So, what you're trying to do in here, instead of dwelling into the problem, no? What you're doing is looking and searching for an answer. What a, napaka-bright ng perspective mo sa buhay. Yun nga lang kasi, kapag nasabi na natin, hindi na natin binabalikan. Ang nangyayari, no, parang nasasanay yung mga tao sa paligid natin na, okay lang yan. Init lang ng ulo yan. Mamaya okay na siya. Pero deep inside, parang nangingit-ngit tayo na, ano ba naman to? Buisit, hindi niya nakuha, no? Ayaw mo nang palakihin, no? Kasi kilala mo rin yung sarili mo. Hindi ka natatakot sa kanila eh. Natatakot ka, or hindi ka natatakot sa kanya, di ba? Natatakot ka sa sarili mo kung ano yung pwede mong gawin. That there's a difference when it comes to fearing yourself. No, wala akong pakialam sa iyo, or wala akong pakialam sa inyo kung magalit kayo sa akin, no? Natatakot ako sa sarili ko pag nagalit ako sa inyo or sa iyo. That's totally different. Don't keep it twisted, no? Yun yung parang, 'di ba, pate ko may inis. With the King of Swords, ayan na nga tayo. Baka yung iba nakapagsalita na King of Swords is a king who's really cutthroat, no? Walang talagang hindi ka na dadala sa santong dasalan na eto latigo, no? Napunta tayo sa santong paspasan, o di ba? Ngayon iiyak ka, no? Kasi no, yun kumbaga una pa lang, no? I warned you, no? I warned you, but you keep on doing it. So parang you're giving me no choice but to do it, no? And I think that this is the right thing to do because you treated me as a joke, no? With the King of Wands, ayan na, King and Queen of Wands. So I feel like magkakaroon na dito ng pag-uusap ng, kumbaga, laying down the cards. Ito, open forum, kumbaga, kung ito ay, group of people. Or, ito yung sinasabi nating, yung no apprehensions, no inhibitions, na, sige, no, I don't care what will be the outcome. Parang I'm also preparing myself for it. Kung magkakagalit tayo or kung maghihiwalay tayo, di ba? So be it. Parang nandun na ako sa, ang tawag doon, rurok, no? Ng inis ko, ng galit ko sa'yo, no? I think what I am needing in here is tulungan mo kung tulungan ka, no? Tulungan mo rin akong ipaintindi sa akin. I'm very much open-minded to what is really happening, 'di ba? I'm very much open to what's your point. I want to understand, 'di ba? Pero kung hindi kung ikaw closed off ka at dudukdukan mo pa rin sa akin yung katangahan mo, no? At hindi ka magigising, no? Gusto kong i-gauge, 'di ba? Gusto kong i-gauge, sino ba, ako ba ang may mali? Sumobra ba ako? Or baka kailangan mo nang makinig sa akin, no? Yun yung sa'yo. Pero kapag dudukdukan mo sa akin yung katangahan mo, ay bahala ka na, no? With the Hermit in here, I think that you have given leniency, no? When it comes, sorry ha, nandun na ako no? Nag-escalate na rin yung nararamdaman ko yung nararamdaman, nag-escalate na, yung paputok na, yung parang, wag lang ako makarinig ng kaunting, yung hindi maganda sa paningin ko, bibingo ka sa akin, no? With the Hermit card in here, parang sinasabi mo, as much as possible, I wanted to relay or probably give you my wisdom. Let me understand, no? Tanga, bobo, yan, sorry for the word, no? Pero parang nanggigigil ka na kasi, bakit yung parang, this is a simple, rational thinking, no? Na hindi mo naman siya, hindi mo kailangan pag-aralan ito sa eskwelahan, hindi mo kailangan mag-masteral. It's a matter of probably morality, it's a matter of integrity, it's a matter of truth and justice, no? And it's a matter of pagiging tao. Alin ba yung hindi na hindi mo rin maintindihan, 'di ba? With the Page of Cups in here and the Moon card, nakakakita ko ngayon dito ng medyo these conversations that's going to happen will give you both um, a reason, either for the both of you to think about the shits that's happening, or really make you have a decision, no? But I think that with what's the outcome here, because the higher power and the happy with the oracle card, it felt like the the outcome will be on your side, no? So you will be understood. um and I think that this conversation needs to happen, this blatant and brutally honest conversation is going to happen, and you're gonna be heard once and for all, and you're gonna be understood. No, so this is your reading, fire signs. Again, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome po. Kung hindi niyo siya maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section, as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi kayo papatulugin ng yes or no, pwede naman po kayo ding dumiretso na dun sa ating description box. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website, no? Nandun po yung question form, nandun yung amount per question, name, number, QR codes for your reference. And I also created a 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Let's check, no? Ang zodiac sign nitong person mo, no? This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So, I'm seeing Pisces, Cancer, Virgo, Leo, Taurus, Sagittarius, Virgo. Yeah, Virgo is already a Capricorn. Did I just mention Sagittarius, right? Yeah. So this is your reading. Again, love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, fire signs.